everyone, welcome back to my channel. Miss Silver here, and I'm super excited to be bringing you guys another video doing my 79-year-old grandmother's makeup. So let me stop here and get started with her makeup. I'm going to start off by priming her face, and I'm going to be using the mattifying Rimmel matte primer, and I'm going to apply it on her face and also her eyelids to just prep her for the eyeshadow. Because she has an oily skin, I am going to be setting her with the Morphe primer before starting with any of the makeup. For her eyebrows, I am going to be taking the dark brown eyeshadow from my palette that I launched 2 months ago. I am going to be damping the brush, and I'm going to apply the dark brown over her tattooed eyebrows. Just a friendly reminder, you can find this palette along with the other two that I've launched at MissSilverlashes.com, and you can use the discount code SILVER10 to save on your buy. All the color is on her eyebrows. I am going to be taking a cream concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning around her eyebrows. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and spread all the concealer all over her eyelid to give her one nice shade, and I'm going to set it with translucent powder. For this look, I am using the Morphe brush and the number M224. Next, I'm going to be taking my Miss Silver palette, which is a 15 color, 15 matte colors, and I'm going to be taking a brighter color, a little bit more coral, and I'm going to be using my Pro Blending brush, also from my brand, and I'm going to start to apply it on her eyelid. Now, I am going to be doing only one shade because she did have eye surgery not that long ago, but she was still willing to be on a video, so I'm very thankful for that. So there's not going to be a whole lot going on in her eyes today. Next, I'm going to be taking the black eyeshadow from my holographic palette, and I'm going to be using it to eyeline the top of her lash line. Just going to do a very smoked out eyeliner since I can't use anything liquid on her, but it still looks beautiful. For some reason, the eyelash video got deleted somehow, so I am going to share. I am using Miss Silver lashes on her, available on my website, and the new style that is launching in a few weeks. And well, let's just keep going. I am using the Tape Ship concealer from Tarte, and I am applying it before any foundation just because this brings more coverage. And as you guys can see, my grandmother has a lot of freckles and a lot of moles. And what I like about this concealer is that it's very thick and it's able to cover all of the blemishes and moles and just dark circles and imperfections. So it's also very gentle, and my grandma fell in love with it. And it's just really, really good, as you guys can see. I'm going to be taking foundation and applying it all over her face, and I'm going to finish her off with a little bit of contour. You guys can see my grandmother has very mature skin, so I am skipping the baking. So I'm taking a fluffy powder brush and I'm just dabbing a little bit of translucent powder all over her face just to set the foundation. So I'm going to be taking the Lorac GoPro palette, the contour palette, and I'm going to go ahead and just, you know, do a little bit of extra contour on my grandmother to snatch her up. I'm going to finish her off with a little bit of highlight. And I'm going to be finishing her with some of my liquid lipsticks, Miss Silver brand, also available on MissSilverLashes.com. And I'm going to be using the shade Gorgeous on her. And I'm going to apply it just a little bit. It's a semi-matte lipstick, so it won't overdry the lips. And then I'm going to just add a little bit more color over that, just because she likes dark colors. And I only have nudes for now. My grandmother's eyes were watering a little bit due to her surgery. I decided to add a little bit of translucent powder underneath her eyes, and it did her very good. So the eyeliner didn't run or anything, so right now I'm just shaking it off. Here's my grandmother's before, and here is her after. I love this lady. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop your comments down below for my grandmother. She's just very excited, very happy to be part of my videos. And thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys again on the next video.